Stay informed and stay ahead with Money Mindset with Proud Mary. Our stock market news and recap playlist delivers clear, timely updates on the biggest moves in the markets, so you can understand what's driving stocks, sectors, and the economy. We break down the week's most important financial headlines, from earnings reports and market trends to global events shaping investor sentiment. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, our goal is to give you the knowledge and context you need to make smarter financial decisions. With Money Mindset with Proud Mary, you won't just hear the news. You'll understand what it means for your money. Your financial future starts with the choices you make today. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, money is a tool, not a trap. Click play, dive into the playlist, and let's build your wealth together. This is Proud Mary, helping you turn money mindset into money moves. If you found this helpful, imagine what you'll learn in the next video. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you like what you're hearing, hit like, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss the money moves we're making together.